Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to the JohnBee empty spray bottles. These 16 ounces 2-pack spray bottles are the ultimate solution for all your cleaning needs. Let me tell you why you need to get your hands on these amazing spray bottles. Firstly, they are made from strong HDPE, BPA-Free plastic, making them durable and resistant to chemicals. Unlike glass bottles, you no longer need to worry about them shattering if they accidentally fall. What's even better is that these spray bottles are designed to be leak-proof and clog-proof. With a long-lasting polypropylene spray head, tight and secure cap closure, and a precision valve and piston, you can trust that these bottles will prime quickly and stay primed. No more frustrating leaks and clogs. The adjustable nozzle allows you to switch between a fine mist and a solid stream, giving you complete control over your spraying needs. Plus, the extended suction tube ensures that you can use every last drop of your cleaning solution. These bottles are not just limited to cleaning, you can use them for a variety of purposes, including watering plants, pet care, and even deep cleaning solutions. The possibilities are endless, and if all that wasn't enough, JohnBee offers a 3-year replacement and 2-year no questions asked money-back guarantee. That's how confident they are in the quality of their product. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the JohnBee empty spray bottles and take your cleaning game to the next level. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome product reviews.